Look what I just found. I found all these huge construction trucks that are redoing the road. Look at this. I'm watching them pave the road. Do you want to see what paved the road? Okay, watch. Lorenzo, watch this, buddy. They're gonna put new what is it called? New driveway down. How cool is this? So it looks like they're gonna take the big truck and they're gonna open it up. Let's watch. Let's find out. There's a big construction truck. Look at the water hose. Whoa, the construction worker is taking the water hose and wonder where he's putting it. Wow. Do you see how he just backed up into this trailer here? This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Now it's lifting up. Look at all these cool construction workers. Oh, here comes the asphalt. Look at it going. Whoa. It's so high in the air. Look at this construction worker. He's cleaning up the hose. They must not need it anymore. Wow. This is so cool. I wonder what's happening next. It looks like they're still waiting for it to put all the dirt in. But if we look over here while we're waiting, he's almost done with the fire hose getting all cleaned up. I wonder where he's gonna put it. Oh, right in the back of the truck. Now he's sending the truck away. Wow. This is so cool. I wonder what's going to happen next. It looks like the guys are having a meeting, the construction team. Oh, they're getting some water for a water break. How amazing is this?
Time 15 minutes. Distance 0.66 miles. Average pace 18 minutes 12 seconds per mile.
They're sending the truck away. Bye-bye, truck. So cool. Oh my gosh, look at this. We've got the roller. What a cool truck. All the team is getting ready for us. Hello. Yeah. I have a toddler who would love this. So cool. Here we go. They're getting ready to ride. This is so neat. Whoa. So now the asphalt is coming out of the trailer and coming out the back of the truck. Whoa. Look at this. Wow. Look, the guys are coming over with shovels and throwing some additional asphalt down to cover up any missing spots. Look at this. They're uncovering this little hole under the ground so that it doesn't get stuck for the sewage. That's so cool. Wow. Look, the big dump truck is almost gone. Look at this big red dump truck. I wonder what's inside there. Whoa. Okay, I wonder when the big roller is gonna come. He's leveling out all the asphalt. Wow, he's doing such a good job. Look at that, packing it down, leveling it out. So cool. Whoa. Look how many construction workers there are. Let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 construction workers helping with the asphalt to pave the new road. This is so cool. Wow. They're working as a team. I love that. Oh, here's another dump truck. Look at this, backing up. A blue dump truck is backing up with more asphalt. I guess they ran out of asphalt, which is why they're switching out to a new dump truck. How cool is that? Okay, he's gonna attach it. Here they go. Look at the new road. You can tell it's new because of its blackness. And this side is gray, so that's the old side. I really like the way the black hardtop looks. That looks so neat. Oh, here goes the dump truck, dumping all the new asphalt into the machine. And then it's coming out the other side. That's so cool. This, Lorenzo, there's 1 big red dump truck filled with asphalt, 2 a green big dump truck, 3 a white dump truck, and a blue dump truck. How cool is that? They're paving the road, buddy. Look how cool this is. They're gonna put the dump truck right with it. How cool. Here it goes. Wow. He did such good driving, Renzi. Up it goes. Whoa. They're dumping all the asphalt in. Look at that. Look at that, buddy. Here they go. Look at this. Say hi to all the construction workers. I have a toddler who loves trucks. Oh, so cool. Look at all the construction workers on the site here. They're putting new pavement out. Wow, buddy. Big roller. Look at this. Wow. Look at the water coming out the back. That's so cool. He's making sure the road is nice and flat and it looks good. Whoa. He can back up and go forward. Is there water coming out the front? There is. Look at that. Wow. It's so big. And look how flat he just made the road. Wow. You know what's even more amazing? Baby sister is here watching them pave the road too. We wish you were here, buddy. We love you so much and hope you enjoyed this video.